Okay, they're starting the march now. They're all coming out, and they're gonna go down Wellington St. I don't know what the route is. We'll find it out.
Man, fuck this shit. I ain't smart ass. I'm taking your black ass to jail. MC Ren, will you please give your testimony to the jury about this fucked up incident? Fuck the police.
Okay, we're marching to the War Memorial now. It's blocked by all the flags.
You would help us a lot if you could just move along. This would go a lot easier if
Thank you, I made it myself. You're looking fresh as always.
Yeah, thank you. Good work. I want to advertise this. Maybe I'll start a business.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, well, maybe I didn't.
Looks like Jim's girlfriend.
Bona fide Nazis. these are the Nazis.
Tellement parfait, hein?
Okay, I'm gonna wait here for a sec. Get some shots from here.
My grandson,
Yeah, I just saw Sunny.
Right here is if police are right next to us.
How do you guys know each other?
During the February occupation. Since then, that group has transferred to Parliament Hill, where speeches took place, as you just heard in Jeremy's report. Chris Skye speaking throughout the afternoon. Then the group took from Parliament Hill, marched down Bank Street to Gladstone and back up Elgin, where they are now. Behind me, the crowd has thinned significantly. Some of the complaints we heard from residents during that march, asking police officers why the crowd was allowed to.
We don't want to fucking hear your bitching and complaining.
This restricted zone.
Why are you giving us negative? Introduce some of us.
Better for them to ensure the route was
Freedom, freedom, freedom.
Protesters and counter-protesters, and that's how the day has gone. It's been relatively peaceful. There have been very few arrests made, just 3 today, and only 33 vehicles towed in the last 48 hours.
You sound like you're disappointed.
That we saw at the end of the Freedom Party occupation. Instead, it's been regimented, it's been strict, and the atmosphere here has been fairly celebratory. Stefan.
How much does Trudeau pay you?
Because it starts with all of us. There's no knight in shining armor, guys. There is no politician coming to save you. Said that people got arrested at the convoy. That's a lie. And he's admitted that. And guess what? We're going after Bell too, guys. We're going after Bell. Bell the living soul. Not the police officer, Bell the living soul who committed these crimes against the people. They all need to be held to task. And don't underestimate the power of you, because you can take action against them.
Let's do it.
We